Good morning, everybody. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. I've drank 2 energy drinks. I'm hyped up. We bought a car, but hey, say hi.
What up? It's 10 in the morning and I'm holding a weight in my hand. What the f*** do you want?
We bought a car, but we only got the wheel. Hey, show me the rim. Look at that sexy rim. Look at that sexy rim. We only have the wheel. We bought the car and we went there and we were like, dude, there's a wheel missing. And he was like, no, there is a wheel, but it's only a rim. And I took it off the car and he just dropped the car. So yeah, guys, today we're buying a new car. It's not new, it's damaged. It has a big accident. It's a project car because this mofo wants to drive a car. So what are we doing now? We're gonna put a wheel on the car and yeah, we'll catch up. Update 1. We got a wheel on the rim. So it's a stupid wheel. I don't give a shit as long as we can put it under the car without breaking the car more than it is broken. So it's good enough. Vartan is carrying it because I'm not carrying it and it's not my car, so I don't give a damn, to be honest. We're calling a flatbed. We need to find a flatbed. We don't know if there is a flatbed, but yeah, we're trying to find it. And let me show you guys what we bought. So guys, this is the car that we bought. Well, I didn't buy it, he bought it.
Dude, it's a freaking $250 car. What more do you want?
But the best part of this car isn't the rear end. Wait a second.
Here, it's right here.
It's this part. What the f is he talking? Anyways, so it has, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a bit of damage on the front. There's a beautiful doggo there. Hi, doggo. So there's damage on the front, a bit of it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's damaged a bit. And yeah, that as well. It's not in the best situation from the inside and it stinks as hell. But yeah, let's get a wheel on this thing, get it moving. The flatbed's on the way and we're taking it to the mechanic to make the engine run. Look at him coming, look at him coming. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Can we open the hood please for a second? Wow.
Yeah, well, the engine is still intact. Here's the dead battery. I hope it does not explode.
What the f are we doing with this thing?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
It has a bit of a damage. I don't know if you noticed, but
no, it will go away by polish.
It's, yeah, you might polish it away. And this glass has a bit of like a few cracks, nothing too big, nothing to worry about. But at least this is working.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That's the most important part.
Yeah. We need a lot of work on it. What the f is that hose? Jesus.
Yeah, that's for the lubricants and the cooler.
That looks like it needs lubricants. Fuck me.
Fuck me. Let's see the
Look at that beautiful damage and look at that beautiful rust.
Man, so much. The last time I swear they have filled an oil in this, maybe it was in World War One.
This car wasn't around in World War One, you idiot. I broke it.
You idiot.
I broke it.
You idiot.
Put it back. What are you doing?
Well, actually, I found something very interesting. Have you seen this masterpiece before?
What the fuck is that?
It's a mirror, you dumbass.
No, I know the mirror, you idiot. I mean, what are those on it?
I don't know, some dangling around it. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you got an aux cable. That's sweet.
Where is the
Over there. Do you see it? See, I found it.
What a great aux cable, man. Remember the one that I gave you? Yeah, well, I'm taking it back.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, and also the car doesn't have a key.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, it doesn't have a key.
I have to put a lot of work in this little dipshit.
Do the windows roll down?
I guess so, let's see.
Roll it down.
The only thing that is intact is the windows.
They see me rolling. They hating. Oh, it also needs a gas cap.
For the love of the holy sexy mama.
Can you stop coming and covering your butt with the camera?
My like big butt. Oh wow, what a key.
Hello, hello.
Anything in there?
Anybody in there?
I'm all sweat up.
Yeah, there's nothing in it. What is this? Letting in water?
I don't think
Oh no, it's the window tint. Fucked up window tint. Can you just lift this car up so that we can start going?
well, I'm not gonna do it, let the guy do it.
He's not gonna do it. It's your car.
No, he's gonna do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it.
Come on, bro.
No, I'm not.
A few moments later.
So the idiot jacked up the car, put on the wheel, brought it back down on the rug, and then was trying to take off the rug. That's how smart he is. Move it! Come on! You can do it! I'm proud of you. Hold the camera.
Do not just break all of it. A little hit.
Alright.
Thank you. Okay, enough.
Nice.
Give me that. Hold that.
Buddy Vartan, if you're watching this, you done fucked up. Jesus, this car needs so much work. So updates, we took it out and we're putting it on the flatbed so that we can go. It's officially ours. Paid for it. He's bragging about it. Look at him how happy he is bragging about it. Look at that idiot's face. He's so happy. Bartan. We can just use this part and be like, yeah, look, we bought a beautiful new, or let's just use the back. Yeah,
back is better.
yeah, just a picture. Oh, it looks nice. It looks nice,
Look
right?
at the great engine here. Oh my fucking god, look at it.
Yeah,
So-
just use the picture from the back.
Ah,
Yeah, fucked up.
come on,
Congrats.
let's
Energy drink number 5 and 6 ready for us. So we bought the first car, we took it to the mechanic and we left it there. And we were going to buy the parts.
go. Yeah.
And what did Dave say?
So he said, let's go buy another car.
So we're
And-
buying 2 cars.
Yep.
And
Who's paying for it?
I am.
No, bitch, I am, you dumbass. Come on, let's cross the road.
So what happens is, like we were going to buy the parts and the whole parts that we needed to fix this car is about 500 bucks. And we know a car who we wanted to buy at first, which was 400 bucks. And we were passing in front of his house and I was like, dude, let's just buy the second car and take all the parts that we need.
Tell the others.
Sell the others or turn it into a f***ing drift car. Who gives a shit, right?
Yes, mate, let's do this.
So, we're gonna go and buy another E30. So we're gonna have 2 E30s and an E46. Because
Fuck it, let's
why
do
the
it.
fuck not? I call dibs on the red one. Whoop. Wait. Whoop. Wait. Whoop. Vartan. Vartan. What do you think of the car?
It's pretty good. It's clean. No rust. No nothing. It's extremely good. I love it.
And most importantly,
What the fuck?
it has a front end. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Anyways, so this is a like it's a, I'm not gonna say new, but like new car because they've taken care of all the rust and they've done a new paint job, which by the way is an amazing paint job. Don't look at the dust and all the pigeon shit on it. It's okay. The paint is amazing. They've restored everything. So the only problem we have right now with this car is the fact that when you open the trunk,
Hello, mate. How you doing?
we have an idiot in the trunk and we have no trunk. Yeah, that's missing. So that's The only issue that we have right now, the key is broken, by the way. This is the key. It's broken. We have this roof which needs to be taken care of. We need to fix it. We're thinking of taking an E46 roof,
Give me the key.
roof opening at least, and putting it instead of this. But this, as you can see, it's like they've drilled through the body of the car. So yeah, we're gonna fix that. And inside there are a lot of things, literally a shit ton of parts and spares and electric wires and everything.
Don't
But
forget
it's in-
there's no motor in here too.
Yeah, oh yeah, by the way, it doesn't have an engine, but at least it's clean. Anyways, one of the most important things to, if you guys are looking into buying an E30, make sure to check for rust on this side, which this car has none. Make sure to always check the rust, check the dash, and check if it has an engine. That's very important, if it has an engine.
Because this one doesn't have one and we don't know what engine we must put in.
Alright, you're talking too much. Let's get the excavator and get this thing out. Let's go. So we got the car home. Here's our E46. Cheapest E46 versus a way more expensive E30. Guys, the paint job on that car is miraculous. And this is Armin. How do you like the new car? Do you like it? You look good? And here's mom going crazy that we bought a second car. Mom, how's the new car?
We love it!
Two cars, three cars, three projects, and yeah, fuck me.